Good day, all. Welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So I just wasted the last hour plus watching the budget speech from the Minister of Finance in South Africa. And I am absolutely flabbergasted at how unprofessional Parliament is. They started off the speech by complaining and telling the minister he needs to ask an apology because the last budget wasn't done, and he was 5 minutes late on this specific speech. And I thought to myself, and half of them are sitting on their phones, or on tablets, or talking to each other. I wonder if they even understand the budget. Now, if I was an investor from abroad and I wanted to invest money in this country, that's one of the things that I would sit and look at, is the budget speech, to see what is going on in this country. And to be very honest with you, no wonder people don't want to invest in South Africa. You've got 400 plus parliament members sitting there, all highly paid, by the way, 1.3 million rand per year, plus a whole lot of other perks. Okay? And you don't have a proper budget. Why are you not cutting? Why are you not cutting spending, Minister of Finance? Why are you not cutting the spending of Parliament? That's where you should start. Why are you not cutting the spending so the corruption can actually stop? Why don't you stop BEE so the market can open up, so investors can actually invest in South Africa? Even a dumb farmer like me can put up a financial budget better than this twat. I cannot believe it. It's absolutely ridiculous. Sitting there on their phones, on their tablets, chit-chatting with each other while he's making one of the most important speeches of the year. It's a speech that investors look at, government of South Africa. And that's why I firmly believe that government should be cut. At least 2/3 of them should be. They shouldn't even be there. It's way too. It's one of the biggest parliaments in the world. If you compare it to the amount or the population, if you take other countries that's got 60 million people more or less, you'll find that their governments are 3 times less than ours. Like a gravy train in South Africa. That's why there's a deficit, and that is why they just increased the VAT rate with 0.5%. And next year they will increase it again with 0.5%, like I just mentioned in the budget speech. And I said this before, is unfortunate, and we're going to feel the VAT as well. They need to punish the voters for keep on voting for these people. If you keep the bananas in charge, you need to fucking eat bananas. That's just the reality of it. There are so many constructive things that he should have done on this speech. What did you achieve the last financial year? What did you build? Show us the results before you try and give us a pie in the sky budget. And you will anyway steal half of the money anyways, because this is just South African. It's a free for all. Anyway, that's my rant. Please like, please comment if you think it's absolutely ridiculous. And please check the comment if you would like to support this channel. God bless. South African Prepper out.